What is going on, everyone? My name is Steven. The trainers or sneaker I'm reviewing today is the Nike Air Max 270 React Eng. The ENG stands for engineering, named after the engineering mesh upper of the shoe. The Air Max 270 React ENG was released on the January 16th of this year. The design looks like the Travis Scott version of the Air Max 270 React. I have done the unboxing video of this shoe already, you can check it out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the details of the shoe right away. Starting from the upper, the first very noticeable thing is the wavy TPU welded overlays that run from one end of the shoe to the other end. According to Nike, these wavy overlays add to the lightweight structure of the shoe. It also gives the shoe a modern style look. The 270 React ENG comes with a no-sole toe tip. The reason it's called no-sole toe tip is that it's a welded-in toe tip, so as a result, the structural integrity of the shoe at the toe area is better. The purpose of the engineered mesh upper is to enable airflow in and out of the shoe. But you may ask, how is the breathability? In my opinion, I would say it's average. There are two sets of a leather overlay on the eye stay. One is closer to the toe box, while the other is just above. In many shoes, we see shoelaces passing through eyelets. In the case of Air Max 270 React ENG, there are 6 lace loops through which the shoelaces pass. 2 lace loops are located under the front leather overlay, while the other 4 lace loops pass through the leather overlay above. The middle of the eye stay features a TPU overlay, which is the same color as the wavy welded overlay. The overlay has 4 eyelets through which the shoelaces pass. Moving on, we have a well-padded traditional tongue with webbing loops that run from the top to the bottom. Each pair of Air Max 270 React ENG features a removable lace toggle through which the webbing loop passes. Some people think the removable lace toggle is useless. Well, maybe they are right, or they don't know its importance yet. According to Nike, the lace toggle enables quick adjustable fit and offers versatile style option. Some people might find a different way to use it, but let me show you how I put it into a purpose. Anyway, I think the lace toggle is not completely necessary, but there are some people that will need it. On many Nike shoes, the swoosh logo is usually embroidered on the lateral or the middle side or both sides, but the case is different on the Air Max 270 React ENG. Instead of a large Nike logo, we have this compressible pillow-like material closest to the heel and accent the Nike logo. It is on both sides of each pair of the shoe. Furthermore, the collar area is well padded and feels great around the ankle. You won't get a wrap around feel, but you get a smooth and comfortable feel. Moving on, the rear features a pull tab with 270 React written on it. The pull tab does nothing else than to offer easy wearability. Underneath the pull tab, there is an engineered mesh material with welded wavy TPU overlays and a stitched-in leather overlay in the middle. These features all together make the shoe look sturdy and supportive at the heel. Before talking about the midsole, let me also mention that the shoe comes with a removable insole that accent the Nike Air Max and Nike React logo. So how does the insole feel? I think it feels like a normal one, to be honest. Now to the midsole. The 270 React Eng features two Nike technologies in the midsole. The first one is the Nike React foam and the second one is the Air Max unit. The Nike React foams takes the full length of the shoe, and while the Air Max unit underneath the React foams forms a 270-degree shape and runs from the middle of the shoe to the heel. The 270 Air Max unit seems rigid at the heel, so the heel area feels stiffer than the forefoot of the shoe. Just like the midsole, the outsole also features the Nike React foam. So you may want to ask these questions. Number one, can I use the Nike Air Max 270 React Eng for running? Number two, does the Nike Air Max 270 React Eng fit true to size? First of all, I have to say the shoe fit true to size for a narrow fit. I went for half a size up, and the reason for that is to have some room for my foot. Since I'm not going to use the shoe for running, I still get a perfect fit though. Half a size up will be an ideal choice for a flat-footed person. Secondly, please do not run in the shoe. It was inspired by and looks like a running shoe. However, it doesn't feel like a running shoe. What about street style? Perfect. Get it for a street style. Alright guys, what do you think about this version of Air Max 270 React Eng? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.